Alright guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. Today we have this GLS 63S with us today, and it's not in very good shape from what we see at least. This car has come in I think 6-7 months ago to do a ceramic coating service with us. He's got the high-end double layer Duraflex coating at the time, and what we're doing is we're doing a maintenance wash. Unfortunately, I think the customer told us he has not touched the car ever since he got the car back from us. So it's been 6-7 months not being washed. I have my detailer here. His name is Matt. Say hi.
Hello.
Matt's here to just basically run through what the state of the car is, and I guess why we should look after it. So what is the state of the car, Matt?
So yeah, you can see it's very dirty. Like the wheels are dirty. It's got bird poo on the hood. So the state of the car isn't in very good condition.
Okay, so what's our recommended what's our recommended info for our customer in terms of keeping the car clean or washes?
So yeah, we recommend you wash the coated car every 2 to 3 weeks.
What is that?
So you can keep the coating maintained so it still beads properly and everything like that.
Okay, sure. So I think that's a very good point. We tell all our customers, we always tell our customers, even this one, to keep it clean, to wash it every 2 to 3 weeks to get rid of the contamination. What happens if you don't wash it? Let's say, what might happen to this car when we wash it and assess later? What do you think will happen?
If you don't maintain the coating and wash it in the recommended period, the coating might be gone.
The coating might be gone. Thank you very much. That's Matt. But I'll quickly run through how this works. The theory behind it is the coating for a car is like a thin layer of crystal. It's your front line protection for your car. This natural protection can go away if contamination eats through. It's just like it's eating through your paint. If you don't have ceramic coating, it can eat through your ceramic coating and onto your paint. And you always have to keep your ceramic coating clean so that the contamination is not stuck there for a very long time. See this bird poop over here? I think Peter's actually got some footage of that. If that is there for even longer period of time during summer, it can eat through the coating and then through the paint. So again, ceramic coating is not something that's like super magical. It's not a magic potion. It won't be there forever if you don't wash it. That's the most highest misconception that a lot of people have is like, oh, if I get my car ceramic coated, I don't ever have to wash my car again. That's not true. You still have to wash it and keep it clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash this car, right, Matt? And then we're going to see the state of the car after it's washed. There might be two outcomes. So we'll see how the coating is holding, and we'll see how bad the contamination is on this car. Let's get started. Alright guys, so what we've done is we've given this vehicle a really good wash, and during the washing process we've actually realized that, to our surprise, the coating is still very much intact onto the car, and the quality of the coating is just sensational. Like, there's nothing that can really describe how we feel, because I guess it's also depending on the quality of the coating as well. So if you have a more cheaper version of the coating that we have, I guess 6 months without washing the car, hands down. I have a feeling that it's probably not going to stay. But with the coating that we actually put on, which is the Duraflex double layer coating, where the first layer is a base layer that bonds onto the paint, and then the second layer bonds onto the base of that coating, it has that extra grab onto the paint. For those of you who don't know, our previous coating is Duraflex. The one that's actually replaced Duraflex right now is our dual layer infinite coating, which is actually, the performance is even better. But just to know that the Duraflex had this sort of performance 6 months in and having this kind of a crazy performance, I don't know what to say. All I can say is that's absolutely surprising for us. Now, when we were washing this, we saw a huge layer of dust in the back of the car, and it was actually still repelling the water off. You can actually see it bead, and that's not just from the dust. That beading was just like beading straight from the coating itself. That's actually crazy. With the back of the car, we actually saw that the coating had this, I guess, they said magnetic field that can actually push away dust and push away water, and that really was very evident when we saw that water bead, even though there was a layer of dust. That's pretty cool. And what is left is this beauty over here, that super glossy finish on a car after you've coated the car. And if I didn't tell you, I think it actually almost looked like we've just coated it today, and it looks absolutely crazy. You know what? I'll ask the detailer again himself. Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
Are you surprised that the coating was still on?
Yeah, I actually am surprised.
How long did it take for us to wash this car?
Oh, not long, maybe like 10, 15 minutes.
Is this a reason for customers not to wash their car just because it still beads?
No.
Yep. Don't do that. Please. Very bad for your car, please. Never, ever leave your car like this. That's just filthy and disgusting. Remember, guys, keep your cars clean. Every 2 to 3 weeks, give it a good clean, give it a good wash. Not every car, not every circumstance is going to be as good as this one over here. I guess this is my serious tone. Okay? All right. Let's have a look what it will look like afterwards. Matthew's drying off the car now, and I guess Peter can go do some B-rolls of the vehicle after it's washed. It looks absolutely amazing.